Hi all, this is Shri from AuraWorks. Welcome to the demo and walkthrough of our Connect Translate solution within AuraXAI. As you know, AuraXAI is a solution, a suite of solutions, and Connect Accelerate is the solution that will enable deployment of Amazon Connect in a fully automated way with config management, with using GitOps and change management features built in from ground up. We enhanced it with one-click install of translate features. Today we're gonna go and do a demo and walkthrough of the solution. Okay, this feature is invisible to the customers and we made it effortless for the agent and enabled ultra low latency end to end. With zero touch provisioning, we can pick an existing Connect instance and do one-click install uh, the entire translate feature. It will take about 12 minutes to provision the translate feature, as well as build the CloudFront portal that the agents will be using for this feature. The unified agent workspace will have familiar CCP controls as well as V2V controls that can help agents with many advanced features. It also uses the same SSO via Cognito that agents already use. Well, how does it work for the customer? It's pretty much in the same familiar flow. When customers call, the multilingual prompt will enable them to pick the language, which sets the customer attribute that gets sent to the unified portal. Once it's sent, the portal automatically configure for that language and gets used. Now, how does it work actually? We have built this bidirectional real-time pipeline. Customers talk in their selected language, the transcribe, translate, and poly will work together and does their part so that the agent can hear in English. When the agent speaks, the same pipeline works in exactly the same way and the customer hears in their selected language. Our solution will first stand up a shared foundation and will be able to deploy one unified portal for each Connect instance through a highly modular design. And the security is seamless too. We've built zero trust credentials. We use SIG4 key to use these AWS services behind the scenes while maintaining per instance isolation. When we compare the performance with traditional server-side translation, we have seen this scale and perform almost real time. So this is a no-brainer for the Connect users to try and use it. When it comes to install and configure time for this framework, the track one the full automation will deploy the foundation in under 5 minutes. And the track two, which is per instance provisioning, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes as it involves CloudFront distribution and DNS propagation. Here are some of the questions we get asked. Is this enterprise ready? Yes, we have built this with production grade AWS best practices in mind. Most of the, if not all of your infrastructure is hosted on your own cloud, and we made sure it scales with AWS services behind the scenes. What if agent speaks the same language, right? Just in the middle of the call, you have total control on the configurations. You can turn off instantly and you'll be just talking in the same language. Customers doesn't see any difference as Poly synthesizes the translation with natural native voice. Finally, how complex is the build out? There's actually zero friction. Agents use their existing SSL credentials. The B2B portal runs in parallel with their standard Connect workspace. In summary, with this solution, we are getting very close to no language barriers. Uh, Without further ado, let's look at the solution in action. All right, here's the Aura XAI portal, which has many solutions in it, like voice and chat agents, data intake, chatbots, Bedrock knowledge bases, quick integration, MCP wizards, intelligent document processing systems, and secure GPT for your own chat GPT like experience. Today we're going to focus on Connect with AI, which has multiple things in it. As we talked earlier, this Amazon Connect feature provisions the entire AWS Connect instance with full automation end to end. And with config management and change management built from ground up, you can actually promote the instances from one environment to other environment with few clicks. Okay, let's focus on the connect translate. So as you have seen in the slides, we will be managing all the entire Connect fleet. Now you should be able to actually configure, translate to one of the translate or Connect instance. For this demo, let's do a few things. As you can see, let's pick these two instances here. And actually, let's launch this, which is already configured with Connect Translate. We'll launch this and we'll show you and walk through the entire Connect instance. And then we will also, in parallel, we install this feature for an existing Connect instance, which Translate obviously is showing as not configured. We're going to try and configure it in parallel, and we'll see both of them in action. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this portal. It will take you to the Connect Translate CCP instance. As you can see, we can actually see the CCP panel here. You can mark offline or available and toggle that as well. You have vast number of connections configurations here. These are all the B2B translate features. You can toggle them while on the call, in real time, or before the call as well. Actually, let's go back to the AuraXAI console. Now let's kick in the configuration for an existing Connect portal with few clicks. You can see the standard portal install. In the future, we will be able to actually integrate to the existing CCP portal as well. For now, let's actually select the translate install for standard portal. Now it does many things. As I said in the other slide, it may take like around 10 to 15 minutes and will configure the entire stack for us. While it gets configured, let's swing back to the B2B portal. As you can see, we are just waiting for the call to happen, and we'll be able to show you guys the real-time translation features. Uh, let's go back to the Connect portal. These are the instances, and this is the actual Connect customer instance. As you can see, there's a phone number here. We can have one of our colleagues call this number in a minute, and then we can see all of this in real time.
Okay, now let's go to the actual V2V portal. A few things to note here. One, you can see here at the top, we are waiting for the call. As soon as the call arrives with the connect attribute, it gets configured with the language, whether it's Hindi or Spanish, that's configured. And you can also see some settings here: stream mic to the agent, play translation to the customer, and then on the agent side, play translation to agent, stream mic to the customer. These are very important settings. For now, we're gonna disable them, and once we are done with the call, we can actually enable them and test them as well. Okay, let's actually see the full demo. Let's take a persona. Let's assume one of our colleagues by name Jose is going to call and ask for SNAP benefits. And let's see how the V2V portal will help. Okay, let's wait to hear from Jose. We got the call.
Hello, my name is Jose and I would like to receive help.
Thanks for calling, Jose. How can I help you?
I want to apply for SNAP benefits.
Sure. Do you want to apply them over phone?
Yes, how long will it take?
It'll take about 15 minutes.
It's okay. Then I'll call you tomorrow to request them.
Sure, not a problem. Thanks for calling. So let's actually do the same demo with some of these settings enabled so that we know what's actually going behind the scenes. What we're going to do is we enable this stream mic to the agent. This will enable the actual voice from the customer stream to us in a little bit narrow, small voice. That way we know what he actually talks. Okay, we got the call. Let me go ahead and select this and turn on.
Basiquehue.
Hola, me llamo José y me gustaría recibir ayuda.
Hello. My name is Jorge, and I would like to receive help.
Thanks for calling. How can I help you?
Quiero solicitar los beneficios de SNAP.
I want to apply for SNAP benefits.
Sure. Do you want to apply them over phone?
Si cuánto tiempo tomará?
Yes. How long will it take?
I'll take about 15 minutes. Okay, let's see if we can do the other side translation. Let's see how things are being heard by Jose. By selecting this, you'll hear what Jose is hearing. Let's see that in demo. Okay, Jose just called. Let's see if we can demo this.
Basiquehue.
Hello. My name is Jose, and I would like to receive and help.
Thanks for calling, Jose. How can I help you?
Gracias por llamar, José. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarte?
I want to apply for SNAP benefits.
Sure. Do you want to apply them over phone?
Claro. ¿Quieres aplicarlos por teléfono?
Yes. How long will it take?
Let's actually do something more complex. Let's assume a scenario where two football fans in a stadium calling for a cab. One speaks in Spanish, the other one in Hindi. So let's demo on how to deal with this. With few changes in settings, I'll be able to talk to both guys in English, yet they will hear in their preferred language. It's a little controlled demo, but let's see those settings. You can see here there are many toggles, and in the middle of the call, if the person says I want to talk in Hindi or something, I can change the language transcribe settings here and translate settings too. On the other side, we can change the same as well. Let's see in live action. I'll have Jose and Sharma call me and ask for cab. Okay, let's go ahead and answer the call.
Basiquehue.
Hello, I'm Jose. I need help booking a taxi.
Sure, I can help you with that. Where are you going?
Union Square.
Okay, tell me the address and are you going alone?
If I have a friend who speaks Hindi,
Okay, let me reconfigure my system to support Hindi. Can you be on hold?
you are on hold.
You are on hold. You are on hold. You are on hold. You are on hold. You are on hold.
You're on hold.
Okay, where are you going?
I live near Jefferson Street.
Sure. Are you guys going together?
हाँ, हम लोग साथ में जा रहा है.
Yes, we're going together.
Okay, thank you. I'll send you the cab now.